Hello guys, for this Tech Wednesday video we're taking a look at the Commodore VIC-20 with 5 kilobytes of RAM, and I have a few games on tape and cartridges for it. And at the end of this video there will be a link to an eBay auction. I will be selling this particular VIC-20 in the original box with a whole bunch of tapes and cartridges and tape recorder, player, tape drive, and all that good stuff. So if you would like to own it, you can put a bid on it, nothing's stopping you. And if you'd like to see more detailed videos, including some really cool videos of it using the internet, my friend Summer and a whole bunch of numbers has a pretty cool channel where he does a bunch of videos with his VIC-20 and Commodore 64 and all that good stuff. So link for his channel and the eBay auction is in the description. Check it out if you want. Now let's see this thing running. Alright, let's boot this thing up. Got it hooked up to an old TV here. So here we go. So here is your basic Commodore screen. Hopefully you can read that. So we got 3,583 bytes of RAM available for basic programming. So why don't we just go ahead and write a basic program. So X, where's the equals key on this thing? It's hard to type in the dark, as usual. X equals X plus 1, 30, print. Oh, crap, what the hell did I do? Stop, no, stop writing up there. Stop it. Okay, here we go. There we go, okay. No, go back up, Shift. There we go. Alright, 30. Print X. And then we should be good to go. Run. So, as you can see, calculated the result, printed out too, as it should. And alright, it works. So, that's really simple basic programming. If I had a blank tape, I could save this program to the disk or to the tape and run it from there. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Let me rewind the tape really quick. And now we will load, press play on tape, and it will load the program into memory. Takes a little while. A lot slower than floppy disk drives, that's for sure. Fortunately, I don't have the floppy disk drive for the VIC-20. But that's okay, because I don't have any software for it either. So we'll see just how long it takes to load a program from a tape. Found PF1 tape. Personal Finance 1. That's right. Loading. Wait for it. Wait for it. The joy of computing in the 80s. There we go. Ready. So now we can run the program. So Personal Finance, Part 1. Month. What is today? Today's June 30th. We'll just call it July 1st, because this video will be out in July. Year 2012. Okay. Yes. Not you. No, stop this. Yes. Month. I don't know. 4? 1986. Yes. New month. I guess 2012 was out of the question. New month, okay. Yeah. Let's add an item. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what this program does. Whoa. Auto, mortgage, rent, clothing. Item 1, date 5/31 80, not 85. Amount 456. Month 5. Like cat 2. Dead 3. Desk. I'm assuming that means description? Yes. Yeah. Error. Cat. Okay, that's enough of that. We'll flip it back off. And flip back on. Let's see. Once it boots up here, rewind the tape. Let's play a game that I have on tape. How about space math? It's math, but it's in space. Get out of there. Get out of there. There we go. Which one's side 1? Here we go. Rewind. Ooh, it's been played recently, apparently. I've never taken a look at this one. Hopefully the tape still works. Rewinding. I always do that. One of those F keys just trips me up. Okay, I think it's rewound. Let's load it. Press play on tape. Seems to be working. Found space math. Loading. Wait for it. There we go. I'll put the tape drive down. Run. Space Math by Dwayne Lader and Neil Harris. Alright. Commodore Business Machines. Instructions, yes. You are the captain of the starship Victory. Destroy the attacking missile by solving the math problem inside the missile. Oh god, it's like math test, but it's gonna cost you your life if you get it wrong. Type in the answer, then hit return. If you make a mistake typing, hit the del key and start again. Okay. Normal or fast? Let's go normal. Please choose the types of problems. Hit yes or no. Yeah, sure, yes. Missile sighted. Okay, what do I do? Where's the math problem? Oh, 1 over 1? 1. Missile destroyed. Alright, got it. Keep going. 3 plus 6, that's 9. I know math. 2 times 6, oh crap. 12. Alright. 5 plus 3. This game's hard. I don't think this game was meant for my age group. 9 minus 8. Should have done fast mode. Okay, that seems to be the gist of space math. I think we got it. Let's see what happens when the missile hits the ship. Hit, damage, control, shields weakened. Oh, we get another try, I guess. Let's see what happens again. Hit, damage control, no life support, dex 7. I'm a pretty bad starship captain. I just don't care. Excuse me. Hit, damage control, lithium crystals weak. You can have lithium crystals, but you can't stop a few missiles without solving math problems. Good work, Captain. You killed us all. Why does it say good work, Captain? You just cost your whole crew their lives. You probably killed thousands of people, but good work. You know, you solved some math problems at first. Alright. Let's check out a cartridge game. Excuse me while I insert it in the dark. It's gonna be difficult. Is it even in there? Yeah, okay. Okay, now we just turn it on. Should boot the cartridge. Yeah, Omega Race. I have no idea how to play. Joystick, paddle. Oh, I don't have either one of those, so I guess I can't play this game. Well, let's just take a look at it. F7 ship color. Ooh, red. Ooh, that's I can't read anything. There we go. What's the game look like? It looks pretty cool, actually. Too bad I can't play it. Oh well. Well, that's about it for the Commodore VIC-20. I have a few other cartridges, but it'll all probably turn out like this. Tapes take forever to load, and they're all not probably very interesting. So, yeah. That's really about it. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, thanks for watching my VIC-20 video. As I said, the auction is now live, and it's a few days before this video is set to go live, so it might sell by then, but I don't think it will. So if you'd like to go ahead and bid or buy it now, it's up to you. Quite a few stuff comes with this lot. Got the original box, got a bunch of cartridges, bunch of tapes, all in the original boxes, manual, everything. So unfortunately, due to a number of incidents that have really pissed me off, I'm not shipping internationally anymore. So it's only to the United States. Sorry to my international viewers, but that's just the way it's gotta be. So $20 shipping plus whatever you end up buying it for, if any of you end up buying it. So you got the whole description here, and link to this auction is in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching.